A plus B giving AB is symmetrical in A and B. So you have to just interchange. It is either you write A plus B, B plus A, nothing, that doesn't matter. So we have to interchange A and B in model 1 and put K2 is equal to 0. You should get this term. How? We will see. So what we have written first step is, in our mechanism, 2A gives A2 star. 2A gives A2 star. So what we want? We wanted one B there. So we have written this B plus B giving B2 star. 2A is nothing but A plus A kind of thing. We can write 2B also. First reversible step. Then second step was A2 plus B giving you A plus AB. A2 star plus B. So what we are writing? Again, B is to be replaced by A now. A plus B2 star giving you AB plus B. So this mechanism we are proposing just by interchanging A and B in our model, which is rejected. Now rate of formation of AB we will write as K3 into concentration of A into concentration of B2 star minus concentration of AB into concentration of B. Net rate of formation. So rate of formation of B2 star. Rate of formation of B2 star is all 4 reactions are involved. K1 into B square, you write here 2B is also okay. Minus K2 into concentration of B2 star. Then here rate of formation of B2. It is disappearing by this K3 forward rate. So minus K3 into concentration of A into concentration of B2 star. It is formed by this reverse reaction with rate constant K2. So plus sign, plus K4 concentration of AB into concentration of B. Net rate of formation is 0. So concentration of B, same thing again. You transfer this side on this side with plus sign because these are minus signs. Okay. Concentration of Br2 term is taken out and what is left is K2 plus K3 into concentration of A. That is transferred. You will get this term here and you have transferred this term in the denominator here. What is left in the numerator? K1B square plus K4 A2B. That means concentration of A into concentration of B. Okay. Now we know rate of formation of AB and we are replacing this K3 into this B2 star. Okay. Because rate of formation of AB is K3 into A into B2 star. So B2 star replaced by this, rest of the terms minus K4 AB B, concentration of AB and B as it is. So similarly you solve this. In the numerator these terms will cancel out. What is left in the numerator is K1 K3 concentration of A into concentration of B square minus K2 K4 concentration of AB into concentration of B divided by K2 plus K3 into concentration of A. Same term. Now here if K2 is very small as compared to K3, because this K3 is forward rate constant of the second reversible reaction. This is reverse rate constant, and for the reactions to be feasible the reverse rate constant must be a small value. So this will cancel out as compared to this we are adding. Very small means as compared to this value. So if total value is say 100 or say 100% if you consider this, then this is say 95 and 5. So as compared to 95 we consider 5 as negligible, that's, or 99 and 1. So we can approximate as 99 is equal to 100, approximation again. So this will cancel out, this value is very small. This is in the product, very small value. K4 reverse rate constant, that also be a small value. So two small values, product is still smaller value, so this goes. So what you get in the numerator is K1 K3 concentration of A into concentration of B square, in the denominator K3 into concentration of A. So K3 K3 cancelled out, and rate of formation of AB with the condition that K2 is very small, you get at K1 into B square. So K into concentration of B square independent of A, concentration of A. So we should not get Ca term. So this A is there in the numerator as well as denominator, it cancels out. So you get K1B squares. That means second mechanism which we have proposed is consistent with the observed kinetics. Observed kinetics which is determined experimentally is second order with respect to B and zero order with respect to A, independent of A. Okay,